Hey, I'm Adam, your math coach. Let's solve this SAT question. If each digit in an integer is greater than the digit to the left, the integer is said to be monatomic. For example, 12 is a monatomic integer, since 2 is greater than 1. How many positive two-digit monatomic integers are there? If you want to give this problem a try, pause the video. Let's see how we can solve this. So, we have two-digit monatomic numbers. So we have to choose. Okay, so we have to choose two digits in a way that this digit on the right is greater than this digit on the left. Now, how we can do this? Well, it's actually very simple. We just, let's say, this digit, the first one is 1. So, how many digits can we choose that is greater than 1? Well, there is 2, 3, 4, etc. And the greatest digit we can choose is 9. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is 8 possibilities. And we just do this for all of the numbers. So for 2, there is 3, 4, 5, etc. until 9. If you count those, it will be 7. 7 possibilities. Well, we can already almost see a pattern here, because every time we increase the first digit by 1, then we will have one less possibility for choosing the other digit. That will be true, that will be always true, until 8. Well, 8 is the greatest digit we can choose for the first place, because there is only one possibility that is greater than it. It is 9. If we choose here 9, we can't choose a greater digit for the second. So for 1 we have 8, for 2 we have 7, for 3 we have 8, for 4 we have 5, for 5 we have 4, and etc. possibilities. Now we have all the possibilities that there are we can choose. We just have to sum them up. So 8 so 8 7 plus 6 plus 1 plus 1. Sum them up. We will see it would be 36. So yeah, 36. So C will be our answer. I don't know if I managed to explain it properly. Here's another problem similar to this one. Try to solve it. And I will try to explain it a little better this time. So we have the same problem. We have a two-digit number, but it's antimonatomic. So antimonatomic is that an integer, each digit in an integer is less than the digit to the left. So we have two-digit numbers. So the one the second place will be less than the one in the first place. So we will do the same. This will be the smaller one. So let's say this one is 1. There is again 8 possibilities we can choose for this place. We have 2, 3, 4, etc. till 9. So we will have 8 possibilities. That will mean we have 8 numbers we can write that is antimateric, such as 21, 31, 41, etc. So 8 possibilities means there is 8 of these numbers. When we choose here 2, we will have 7 possibilities. That will mean we have for the second digit 2, for the first digit 3, then 4, then 5, etc. And there will be 7 of these numbers. Okay, that's very bad writing. Never mind. And we'll do the same until 8. For 8 there is only one digit, 9. That will be 98. That's the only possibility for 8. And again we have a sum of 8 plus 7 plus 6 ... plus 1. And again that will be 36. That is, well, it's not B, it's a D. It's D here, but this answer. So did you manage to solve them? Tell me in the comment section. Tell me if my explanation was understandable or not. And if you want to see more problems with better explanations, check out my other videos. Thank you for watching.